Hi guys, welcome to the channel. This is Waga. We are going to continue with our series of videos on SwiftUI views, and what we're going to work with today is a secure field, which is a type of text field which is blurred out, used for passwords and such, when you don't want somebody to see what's in the field. So that's what we're going to be working with, and yeah, basically that. Now, a text field, just like a text field, you need to bind it to a variable. So that's probably that should be the first thing you do um, when you're creating a secure field. So for that, we could come here and say at state, I have the usual run-of-the-mill app, no changes made. At state, like so, and create a private variable, and it's going to be called user name, like so, and it's going to be an empty string. Let's just use double quotes like that, and we could copy this line and use it for password. So I'm just going to put a text field next to a secure field so that you can see the difference. So this is going to be called password, like so, and then we're going to come down here and we're going to get rid of this, and after this we're going to have a vstack with some spacing. We could say vstack like so, and the initializer is going to have some spacing. The spacing is going to be, let's give it 30 like so, and we come into the brackets and we could have an image, and this is going to be system name. We're going to pick the person.badge dot minus like so, and yeah, like so, and we're going to make it large, so we're going to have the font modifier, and this is going to be dot large title, like so if we want it big. And after that we're going to have the text telling us what this is. We are working with secure field, in this case secure field, like so, and after that we're going to have a text field, no, a text, okay, let's just type it again, a text field, like so. Here is what we're looking for, and we're going to have a username, and the text is going to be bound. The text is going to be bound to the username over here, like so. It's going to be bound to the username, and we could prettify it, and we could say dot text field style, and the dot text field style is going to be, we could have a rounded border text field style, like so, right? And give it a bit of padding, like so, and after that we can have now the secure field, what the meat and potatoes of this video, and this one is going to have the word password, like so, and it needs to be bound, remember. So we are going to say text is going to be bound to the password, like so, and we're going to do the same thing, and we're going to give it a text field style, and the style is going to be rounded border style, like so, and we're going to put a spacer to push everything up, like so. For some reason this is acting up, but if we hit, we should see something. And yeah, so basically we have the text field. Okay, why does this one look a bit off? Secure, like so. Did I put some I don't think I put in some padding. I forgot to put some padding on this, right? So we could come here and we say dot padding so that it can, yeah, so it can look better. So let's see it on the simulator. Hit the button and we come back and we can see it on the simulator, like so. So basically you can see here, we can type, we can say GLR like that, but here we will not see anything. So that's how you create a secure field. We could wrap text field in the secure field in a, what's it called, in a view, so that it can have color behind it. Let's put like the color purple behind this too, and for that we could come here and we could hit command click, like so, wrap it in a H stack, and instead of a H stack we make it a Z stack, and in the Z stack we could just add a rounded rectangle shape, and we give it a corner radius of 10. We could say a corner radius of about 10, like so, and after that we could make it have a foreground color, and the color, since this is a color, you just say dot purple. It's not like a background view where you have to say colors dot purple, like so. And we could get rid of this text field style, like so, this modifier, like so, leave it like that, and we could make this dot, we could get rid of this extraneous one, like so, and make this dot horizontal, like so. So yeah, and let's try again and see what it looks like. And oh, we forgot to add a frame to it. So we could come here and add a frame, like so. And in the frame, we could give it a bit of a height. Why isn't it cooperating? A height is going to be of 50, a height of 50, and we give it a bit of padding, right? Like so. Oh, there's a space between the padding and like so. So yeah, so basically that if we run it, you see we can have the color around it, and after that we could add what's it called? We could add we could change the foreground color of the text field. So we could come here and say so that we can see what we're typing. Foreground color, and we could make it dot white so that we can see what we're typing. Like that. And come back here. There is no hot reload, I keep forgetting. And yeah, so we get the white, and we could do the same for the secure field, or even better, we could just come here and delete that and copy this. Take this Z stack, copy it, come down here, paste it, and instead of a text field, we have a secure field, like so. And if we run it, we should get the same results, but for the secure field. And oh, they're bound to the same thing. That's the problem. Just we need to change the binding. This should be bound to the password. That's why you shouldn't copy code if you're watching this. Yeah, you can introduce such simple mistakes. And after that, this is going to be, instead of username, this is going to be password. So that's how, let's just confirm. So that's how you would introduce maybe a view behind it to give it a bit more color, right? So we could say, and the secure field is going to be like that with the dots. So basically that's all about the secure field. Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe to the channel if you're new here, like the video, and I will see you in the next video.